Hey, I wanted to let you know about the biggest mistakes we see people make when they're building their first membership or online course site. And they fall into three areas. The first one is they get stuck. They've never used the technology, they run into some sort of roadblock, and then they have to reach out for help. The second category is ones where they kind of get it built and they could launch it, but there's some shortcomings somewhere in the site. It's either doesn't look right, doesn't function right, or it's just very difficult to run. And as a result, it's not the greatest reflection on their business. And the third category is ones that get a little farther along, but they don't make use of best practices. And the problem with this group is that they don't even know what they're missing out on. So they're really not making the most of the resources, which makes it a more expensive solution, a solution that doesn't offer their clients as much value as they could, or it just costs their company internally a lot of money and time. So why don't you schedule a 30-minute call? We're more than happy for free to get on a phone call with you and discuss how you can avoid these three problems and really come up with a membership or online course site that really meets your needs.